Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to. I am Kinsey and currently editing, and I wanted to take you guys along on an art journey and get you informed and up to date to what we've been working on. The first shirt design has come in through the snail mail. Later in this video, I'll take you through the process of getting this made, as well as which company I used and the process of launching. All of my shirts are currently print on demand only. For items I'm making by hand, I've been doing vendor booths around town. This is a silicone mold that I made myself. It's my first time using silicone, so I still have a lot to learn. I used the octopus bodice, which I sculpted to make this mold. Right now I'm pulling out an epoxy flower pour. This silicone is a little too thick and not as soft as I'd prefer. If you have any silicone knowledge, please pass it along. There are a lot of loose pieces that I'll have to knock off before I have to sell my soul to sand all of this down. My second shirt has arrived. It's my working mom's design. For the win! Another day, another dollar. I'm listening to Catnip's vlogs while getting started today.
It's the best friends one, and I've just drawn some leaves, illustrated some leaves and stuff, and put these exclamation marks. I really like how this looks, so this is fine and good to go. We've got this little strawberry one, and this is going to be for the glitter one and the plain one. And my thinking here was that this was going to...
First things first, I opened Notion to check my daily task. I wouldn't be able to stay on task without this, honestly. I got an email from Vograce, who is a manufacturer that I am trying out, testing out. They sent me an email stating that I need to pick a couple things for the keychains and put a new image upload for the leather-bound sketchbooks that I'm making. So I will have to jump on that now. We are making more of the epoxy molds and stuff. Right now there's a couple of flowers in these ones. But one of my friends just brought over some bugs, little Japanese beetles, and there's like June bugs and a centipede and other things in there. I don't know how I feel about the centipede, but the little Japanese beetles are going to be really pretty for like weird earrings and stuff, so keep an eye out. I'm always stuck sanding. I really need to find a better silicone. I do love how these turn out regardless of the hassle. Wet sanding is how we work it to a buffed out finish. I'd really like these to have a glass-like appearance. This is a product list that I'm piecing together. It helps me keep on track. Now let me show you where I got my awesome shirt made. Printful is an e-commerce platform and marketplace. Simply pick the product that you are interested in, upload your art file, then begin customization. They have a quick tool to remove the background for you. It's not always accurate, but this time it worked out. Pick the colors and sizes that you want available in your shop. There are many to choose from. Use the mock-up image creator so you can make your products look exactly how you want on your site. You can add your description and price points. This is based off of the amount or percentage of profit that you want to see. This is also based off of their base rate to have it made. Here is what my website is currently looking like. Printful is linked up to my Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.